This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have some hair remover for you guys. Here you can see this machine from Braun, one of the best brand in the world. 4-week smooth skin, obviously for female, this one guys. So I'm unboxing to show you how you have inside the product. You see hair remover from every part of your body wherever you want. 3-in-1. You can see epilate, shave and trim, so you can do many things with that. Lovely. Obviously you have to connect with the charger. This one to use doesn't have battery inside, but this is from Braun Germany, one of the best brand. Many other products similar for hair remover, hair cutter for man, women, for different things. If you want, check the video description for more video unboxing of this type of product. So here at the top you can see Braun, made in Germany, some QR codes. Lovely looking box though, pink in color, feminine in this case. So from this one, I think I have to take this off from behind. Lovely. Wow, here we go. So we have a charger. You can see here how it is. Let me show you. It's a common charger, white color, brown is written here the middle. Lovely, bit old style. If you see port something as this, you could charge with any charger. More things in the box. Here we go, another head. You can see here. Let me take this off, show you guys how it is. This head can take this off, I think, as this as well. Here we go. So you can see the blade here. Lovely, sharp, elegant, Braun product, one of the best. Here is the machine, but before that you can see lovely looking a brush from Braun. Lovely, very beautiful, elegant. And manual from Braun. Wow, lovely. If you have time you can read this literature. Okay, now let's go to the machine guys. Yeah, let me take this out. Wow, lovely guys. You see button on and off here. See, this is on and off. Doesn't have any charge because it doesn't have any battery. Okay, in this case you have two buttons, these two sides. If you press, I think this will come out the head. You can change the head as you want. Look as a spaceship, something as this. Press inside, you can see to hair remover. It will not cut your hair, it will remove all the hair directly. Braun Skill Ellipse 3. Place for adapter. This is not a charger, this is adapter. UKCA written, different type of information. You have a strong grip of this product because you have to hold tight as this. I'm gonna connect this charger to show you how it is working guys. Connected, put here this one, and I will show you now. Strong light, you can see, and you can see how it is strong. It will take out all your hair from the root of this one. At the middle you have medium, strong, medium and off. Two-way, you can control. You can see how it is very strong. High one you have light, medium one you don't have light, and off. I will change this head, take this off, apply this head. This is a more cutter, other one was remover. See, this will cut your hair, it will not remove, it will cut and replace it. Oh, and you have more. If you want protection, you want cut here, you leave them little bit, not totally remove. You can use this tool, you can add on the top, putting as this, you can see, and we can take this off from here. and this can come out. You can see how it is inside. To show you guys how it is. Lovely. Put back this one in its place, and with these two side, if you press, you can take this out. Lovely. You can put back the original one, and you can close, lock this one. You can use. Only one problem, doesn't have charger. You can use only connected by cable. But lovely machine, very high quality product from Braun, Germany. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.